everybody, it's me Tess with Tess Loves Yarn, and as you can see I'm not at home in my yarn room, so that's why this is a Mayo Maxim unboxing, because you guys, I'm at Mayo again up in Minnesota. Yeah, so the funny thing is, when we were getting ready to do the 8-hour drive up here, guess what got delivered? Mary Maxim. So we took it and threw it in the car so that I could open it with you guys, because you know how much I love my Mary Maxim kit, right? And you know, I am not sponsored by Mary Maxim, although, you know, I would not object if they wanted to sponsor me. I'd be like, okay, let's do it, Mary, let's do it. Anyway, I'm trying to get this open, you guys. This is like a big one. This is a big one. All right, here we go. Oh, Lordy, that hurt my arm. Okay. Whew! What is this? Oh my gosh, you guys. It's a plushie. This is very, very rare. This is a plushie in my Mary Maxim monthly crochet kit. And it is Huggable Hippo. Can you guys see that? Mind blown, right there, mind blown. This is wild, and it looks like a hippo lovey. Oh my gosh. So we have, I can just tell by looking at it, we've got some Bernat yarn in here. Let me pull this out. So we have two of these, like red, there's like a maroon, blue, kind of pink, mauve-y color, gray in here. And the colorway is called Moon Dusk. Moon Dusk, y'all, Moon Dusk. I like that. So for you, all of you out there that are not familiar with Bernat blanket yarn, Bernat blanket yarn is a super bulky yarn. It's a number 6 yarn. It calls for an 8mm hook, but if you're using it to make a plushie, I recommend you go down, like for myself, I use a 6.5 hook when I make my plushies. That's just me. But you definitely need to go down from an 8mm, because your stitch will be too loose. And when you fill it up with your polyfill, you're gonna have some holes and you're gonna see your polyfill. And by the way, I think they even gave us polyfill. Let me pull this out. Let me pull everything out and show you, and then we'll talk more. So yes, we do. They gave us polyfill. Look at that. And you guys, you want to know the funny thing? We stopped at a Michael's store on the way up here and bought polyfill because I've been making my pickles, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, so here I had some polyfill the whole time and didn't know it because I had not opened the kit yet. But yeah, so they give you the polyfill, and that is going to be, I can tell you right now, it's just going to be for the hippo's head, because loveys don't, you don't stuff the body of like a lovey, because it's typically for a baby, and you know, babies can't grab onto things. They kind of do this instead. And so that's why you don't fill the body of a lovey. But let me see instructions with the head, blah blah. It tells you where to put your eyes. They give you the eyes, and they safety eyes, and they also give you yarn, your yarn for your lovey's face, because they have like some eyebrows, and then they have the nose thing on here that they embroidery on. But yeah, it looks like a pretty simple pattern. Looking at the stitches, there's no like really no special stitches except just single crochet 2 together, which you guys, that's a decrease, okay? And then there's half double crochet 2 together. Once again, that's a decrease. So this whole pattern is made from single crochets and half double crochets. So what you'll do is you'll start out, you'll increase, and then you'll decrease back down again. That's you know, most of you would already know that. But if you're a beginner, you know, these directions are really good, and if you don't know how to do 2 together, you can always look it up on YouTube, because there's a million tutorials. Well, I might be exaggerating, but there's a bunch. So yeah, so this looks good. You guys, I am super surprised that we have, and look at that picture. So zoom in on that at home. If you're on your phone or your computer, zoom in on that picture. Look at that picture. That is a cute little hippo, and it's not little. It's actually a pretty good size. It's 21 inches tall. That's what the finished hippo is going to be. So back to the yarn. It's the Bernat blanket yarn, which, like I said, is a super bulky 6. I believe they have 220 yards in one ball. Let me look. This one is a super big one. It says it's equivalent to 4 balls of yarn. So where is the... I'm trying to find out, where do they say how many yards are in this? Here we go, 220 yards. Yeah, that's what I thought. So these are this is the same size Bernat blanket yarn that I typically buy. So they are 220 yards. So they gave us 2 of those, and that should be enough to make the lovey. So you guys, I'm definitely going to make this, because you guys know, and here's the eyes and the other yarn for the face. But you guys know that I do like craft shows and markets and things like that. So I can definitely make this and take this to one of my markets. The only thing is, I don't know about the yarn color. These blues and mauve colors like you see in the picture, I mean, to me that's kind of a little of an odd color for a hippo. I think it would have been better if it was in grays, like different grays, and they could have even done a multicolored gray, because Bernat makes a multicolored gray. So I don't know why Mary Maxim gave us this red, gray, and blue. Almost looks like red, white, and blue. But anyway, that is our kit here. And then just real quick, you guys, I want to show you, yes, I have been making pickles while I'm here. I just made this one. And I brought some of my tags and stuff, and I did the whole pickle. So y'all know, wherever I go, I always take my to-go bag. So I always have a project to work on, right? Yeah, and a big picture, I'm hanging in there we're doing all the things. Like I said, I'm back up at Mayo. I've been up here for a few days already, but yeah, it is what it is, everybody. So as far as the Mary Maxim kit goes, 2 thumbs up for the huggable hippo pattern with 2 big jumbo balls of Bernat blanket yarn. The only thing is, I do kind of wish that the colorway was different, but honey, you just put your finger in there. That's okay. Superman's filming for me, everybody, so you might have just seen his finger, but that's okay because he's a tired man. Yeah. And just to let you know, we brought Thor up here with us too. So Superman and Thor are staying over at the hotel, which is very close to the hospital here. So anyway, that is it for today. I just want to say real quick, if you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you, thank you. You guys have been amazing. You've been ordering my pickles. Don't forget, these pickles are available on, oh, here's another one I just made. These pickles are available on my Etsy shop, and they are my emotional support pickles that we are now calling my Crochet for Cancer Pancreatic Pickle. So don't forget that I will be donating money from these pickles for pancreatic cancer research, which is super important. So yeah, you guys, if you want to visit my Etsy shop, I will link it below. For all my subscribers, thank you. You guys are amazing. You have been so supportive. I love each and every one of you so much. You're my yarny friends. And if you're new here and you like me, I'd be tickled pink if you'd hit that subscribe button and come back and see me again real soon. And you guys, I will be back soon, I promise. All right? Love you. Bye.